Yo. There you go. All right. There you go.
Oh shit, this is fun. Okay.
Oh, shit, man. It's nice as hell. Policer 2022. What me das neves. Shit. I gotta make it home. Yeah, exactly. Oof. Yo, look at that. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Oof. I gotta go, man. I'm not waiting for the picture. Shit. Come on. Let's go. It's fucking cold as hell. All right. Let's go. Come on. What are you doing? Yo, okay, I'm not waiting for you anymore. That's it. I'm just gonna go home and that's it. Fuck it. It's fucking freezing. Oh shit. Look at this. Love this car, man. I wanna get one exactly like that one. Jeep Cherokee. It's cold, right? Yes, okay. Yo, come on, let's go. Oh, shit. Oof. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's so fucking cold. Yo, fucking cold as hell. Yo, come on, let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
What?
Yeah, that's what I said. Let's fucking go. It's cold as hell. Look at that. Jesus Christ. No, on the street. Yeah, I have the sidewalk. I can see the sidewalk.
Sidewalk. No, why walk in the street was
No, but yo, it feels. What the hell are you talking about? It feels like walking like a regular day. Like a sunny day, kinda. Shit. Yo, it's so fucking cold. Shit. What? Yeah, of course. No, I'm fucking freezing. My whole body. It feels like I'm the fucking inside of the fucking fridge. I just want to get home and take a fucking shower. How about that? I just want to get home and take a fucking shower.
good? Sounds like a good idea.
Oh yes, it does. And noise. Oh, oh god damn it. Holy shit. What? What? What are you talking about? Come on, yo, hurry up. Okay, I'm leaving you behind. I'm leaving you behind. All right, whatever. Come on, let's go. Ah. Yo, fucking cold as hell. This is like, what? January 28th? Something like that. Yeah, 28th. 2022. Fucking blizzard. Fucking cold as hell, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, let's go. Shit. Ooh. Thank God I am almost home. Oh yes, baby. Look at this shit. Fucking, I don't know if I like it or if I hate this shit, but it's something else. Yo, come on, hurry up. Yo, trying to be nice, but no way to be nice with this girl. She's always crazy. What? The people upstairs, they still awake? What? These people go to sleep like at 6 p.m. I don't get it. Oh. Cha-cha-cha. Yo, look at that. It's the American flag right there. It says we're in America. You see that flag? Yes, we're in America. Hey, let's go. Thank God, we're home. Ah, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Aye. Aye. Holy Jesus. The Son of the Lord. Ooh. Oh, yeah, whatever. Have a good night. Ooh. Oh, yes. Yes. We made it. Look at her. She's still out there. Yo, she's born here in America. Born in New Jersey. Seen this like a fucking 1,000 times. And she's still there, amazed. Oh, wow. The snow. Look at that. Oh, that's Snow White. Really? The snow? No shit. Come on, yo. Yeah, now she's gonna be dancing like she gonna think that I'm recording her, but like not anymore. Just gonna grab a beer. Oh, baby. Come to daddy. Oof. Alright. It feels good to be home. Yes. Now I'm just gonna make some soup. Watch some Forensic Files. And smoke a joint and go to sleep. Oh, she's almost inside the apartment. Wait. Look. Watching. Keep watching. There she is.
Ew.
Ew.
You were recording the whole time?
Yes, I was.
Why?
I don't know, because I just wanted to record the Joe. All right.